y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc on the track. Okay, so today's wig is from SHEIN, y'all. SHEIN sells wigs now, like what, girl? So I'm just showing y'all everything I got. It's nothing too fancy. They just throw a wig cap in there and a user's guide. I really don't know, I didn't look into that. But this is the wig, y'all. This is a glueless wig. Okay, so it comes pre-plucked. It's not, the knots aren't bleached, y'all, so like that's like my only con, but like the knots are so thin that you don't really need to bleach them, and I didn't in this video. So this is what the wig will look like, and it does have an elastic band. Now I love SHEIN's wigs because the wig cap that it comes on is really good for big head people and people with locks, okay, because the wig cap is so stretchy that, like, yeah, it's good. So I'm showing you guys how I do my locks. I'm trying to share with y'all in every video because y'all be asking me. Okay, so I really just mash them up in there. Okay, like there's really not a method to my madness. I just put them in there. Then I do go in with a second wig cap just to kind of further like flatten the locks to my head or whatever. So I use 2, sometimes 3. It just depends on how small the wig cap is. But this wig cap is really big, y'all, and it's stretchy. It's on like a spandex cap, so there's a lot of movement on this one. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I styled it. I did do this wig in a style, so it's gonna be a installation and a style tutorial. Okay, yes. But as y'all can see, this is the wig on. It's meant to be glueless, but like I said, these locks kind of make this wig slide back because it's like almost like a little bit too small, but like nothing major. Okay, but yeah, I did go ahead and glue it down with my little ebon lace glue, lace spray. It's not glue, y'all. This is the hairspray thing in the black bottle. Yeah. So you want to let that dry, y'all. I love me some Celsius, okay, like it's bomb. And yeah, so when that's dry, I just kind of put that right into that hairspray line that I created, and just kind of place it right in there and get it right where it needs to go, y'all. And then yeah, I mean, you're good to go. Like, make sure that when you're placing it, it's like sticky. Okay, if it's not sticky, you need to wait a little bit longer. But I go ahead and I like comb the hairspray through the hairline. This kind of gives it more of a like defined look on the hairline. So that's what y'all see me doing here. Okay, so that's pretty much it as far as melting it down. I did go in with an elastic band, and then from there I started kind of working on the styling portion of it. Okay, so I was doing this cute little style that I saw Ari Fletcher do. Y'all know Big Booty Ari. But yeah, she did this zigzag part with like 2 little space buns, little bun buns, half up, half down. Okay, so that's what we getting into today. Oh, I did want to know, I saw this on YouTube. Some girl called it a double melt or whatever. So I put some more of that hairspray on top of the hairline. So it's good to put it under the lace and then on top of the lace so that you are like fully melted. It's not going nowhere, and it just looks really good, and this also helps melt it so it's like undetectable. So that's what y'all see me doing, and I just place it on my finger. Like, I don't spray it, just put it where it needs to go, because that stuff can get messy like real quick. So I put the elastic band back on because yeah, you have to double melt. Like, it is what it is. Now, I done had this channel for so long and I still don't have a wax stick. I'm crazy, right? So I'm using this Murray's beeswax as a wax stick, y'all. I had to make it work because I always keep forgetting to buy it. I'd be like, I know I need something, but that's like when you go to the store, you need something, and then you come back and you be like, damn, I forgot it. So yeah, I'm using that. I mean, it got the job done, so like, don't clock me or whatever. But yeah, with the zigzag part, you kind of have to part it, and then you need to take the hot comb and then kind of further define the part. So I just worked on that first little part, and once that was done, I did go in and create the next little zag in the zigzag. Okay, so I took my time and kind of like went as I went, because if you do it all as one, I feel like it's not gonna be as flat as it needs to be. So take your time with this part, apply more wax, and then define the part and make it as flat as possible. So I'm gonna go through the motions here on that part, and y'all can see what all I did here. Like I said, I just finished the rest of the zigzag and got it as flat as I could to my head. Okay, so I was super satisfied once it was complete. Everything looked good, everything was flat, and I liked the way that the zigzag looked. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the baby hairs portion. In the Pinterest little picture that I used of Ari, however you say her name, she had like these like extravagant baby hairs. Like, now y'all know I don't do extravagant baby hair on my channel. I don't do it in real life. So I'm like, oh my goodness. So I pulled out just a tiny bit. I probably could have pulled out more for more of a chunky baby hair look, but I wanted it to look natural but still extravagant, if that makes sense or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Y'all, somebody told me to use this mousse. I got this from my beauty supply. I think it's Design Essentials or something. I don't know. But it's really thick. Unlike Nairobi, it's not watery. Like, this foam is like really thick and it doesn't like move. You know what I'm saying? Like how Nairobi does. It's kind of more water based. This one is not. So I love this one for styling my baby hairs because it keeps the baby hairs moist. Okay, moist. So it took me like a long time to swoop that little middle curl. So I did like a little middle baby hair swoop that like curled around, and y'all, it took me so long to do. So that's what y'all see me doing here. And then once I was done sculpting the baby hairs, I did go in with these little things. I don't know what these are called, y'all, but I got them from the beauty supply. And when they were dry, I took it off, and like it was good to go. Like, I love this style and how it came out. So now I need to work on the puffs, okay, the little buns. So since this is a wig, you kind of need to part it where it's like you can't see any lace or tracks. So y'all see me like parting the hair. By doing this, it does kind of cut off the amount of not baby hairs, the amount of hair inside the bun. So it'll be kind of thin. But that's okay. It wasn't bad, and it came together real good. Okay, so y'all just see me portioning off the bun section, and I went ahead and I brushed it with my unbrush. That's so like a tongue twister to say, because that unbrushes with the brush. Oh, whatever, y'all know what I'm saying. But yeah, this is what I did, and then I went in with the just like a simple little ponytail. I went in with some hairspray and tried to get that part even more flatter. Okay, like we need this flat, we need this laid. And then I went in with the simple just a black rubber band and made a ponytail. Okay, so I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. That's what y'all see me doing here. And the buns are complete for the time being or whatever. So I did go ahead and take the hair. I did put them up, you know, in the buns, but later I went in and I readjusted it because I noticed that the hair was wet but the buns were dry. So and it wasn't like looking right. So I took the hair out, y'all, and this is how it looks, you know, out of the package. I did go in with my Ruby Kisses in the shade 12, and I just put some on the lace. I put the darker one on the lace, and then I put the lighter color in the part. Y'all already know I do this like with every wig because it works magic like every time. So this is the length of the wig, you guys, like combed out. It's pretty long, it's pretty big, it's pretty fluffy. The hair is super soft. Oh my goodness. Okay, but I was looking for more of a like a curly bob, so I did go ahead and cut the ends on this one. I did just like a little bit of inch off, and that inch definitely made it like the same length on like going all around. So it's giving bob. Okay, it's giving curly bob, which is bomb. So I went in, this hair is real cute, like not wet and wavy, so I did like that, but I wanted more of a defined look, so I went in with some water in my little spray bottle, and then I went in with my little denim brush and I further got the curls defined. So take your time on this part, as well as apply tension so that, you know, the curls are snapping back, girly. Okay, so I did that on both sides, and then like I said, I went back in on those little ponytails and got them wet because it just did not look right to have dry buns, dry hair and then wet I mean, I can't. God damn. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Like, y'all know what I'm trying to say, okay? So this was the finished look, y'all. I was super satisfied with this hairstyle. I'm super satisfied with the hair, the wig, all of that, okay? Like, the wig was big enough to fit my locks under. It was big enough to kind of do more of like a frontal effect hairstyle without being clocked. The lace was amazing, okay, especially because I didn't bleach it. Like I said, those knots were so small, no bleach was needed, girl. So I really like this wig, y'all, a lot. The curls are really curly. I didn't even have to do that finger curl thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about, which takes forever, okay? It just did it on its own. Like, this hair is bomb, y'all. It's currently $150 on SHEIN. I do have a code. I believe it's Nizzy15. I'll leave it down in the description box also for y'all to check out. So make sure y'all check out SHEIN, y'all. This is not my first SHEIN rodeo. Like, I love me some SHEIN wigs, and every chance I get, I'm gonna get those glueless ones. They come glueless, ready to wear, pre-plucked, all of that, okay? So yeah, SHEIN is pretty much that girl, and it's dominating the wig industry at the moment. If you haven't had a SHEIN wig yet, what are you waiting for, girl? Like, you need to get into this, okay? But yeah, that wraps it up for today's tutorial, video, review, all that, okay? Let me know down in the comments if you guys like this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Your support does not go unnoticed. Bye!